sun is shining. It's time to go to Leicester first to pick up a gearbox, and then all the way down to London Gatwick, which is pretty much like a 5-6 hour drive. So let's start the journey today. This is actually the last drive of the tripod because it's going to be going to Spain, and we're actually going to be delivering the car to the owner straight off the airport in Gatwick, London. Let's go. Oh jeez, I forgot to drive this car. Okay, what we need to do, we need to keep the revs going because that Audi wants to take me. Oh, we've got a lot of stuff in the car. Bro, get back, bro! Get back! So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Whoa! Don't push me to VTEC! Don't! VTEC, let's go! So we're at the breakers right now. Check this K20 out. £1,100 for that. What a bargain. We have came for the gearbox, which is this. An FN2 gearbox. We're gonna put it right into here. So that's one EP3 gearbox, and that one's gonna go right next to it. So we'll have 2 gearboxes right there. Let's get that in there and get back to our journey straight to London Gatwick Airport. Let's go. Take us 3 hours, but we're supposed to get there for around 11:30. Let's hope the VTEC can save time. Whoa! What? You crazy? Take your name, bro. He's right behind me right now. telling you. It never ever 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 lets me down, and I can't believe it's gonna be going today. Oh, he's not happy. He is not happy. He was not happy. Oh, the car behind me. Oh, close. He's bullying everybody. He is today. Oh, everybody together then. I'm gonna have to let him go. The driver owns the road. Good team, man. Right, yeah, good. What a shirt, man.
What happened?
I'm stopped eating.
Curly hair, man.
I know. No, I need to get a haircut, man. I'm tired, man. We literally, tired, okay? You know, literally 1 minute ago, we just come now. You just come now. 1 minute. When you finished everything, just let me know, and I'll be in the place.
Okay.
B-Tech is very good.